Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day for me because if you've been here before, you know that I like mini. I love miniatures. I love making miniatures. I love watching miniature video. I love everything miniature things. It started when I was a little kid and all I wanted is just collect tiny stuff. In that time I didn't know what to do with it, but now that I'm older, I'm trying to use some of the things I collected and still have to make miniatures. But recently I had this idea to make a miniature project that have ceramic involved. And I started to make those pots from paper clay, but they weren't as good or satisfying as I want. I still gonna use them for my project. This is something that I ordered in Christmas, but I did not have time to use, and I just wanna start. So if you wonder, so I ordered a mini pottery wheel. So my whole pottery wheels is here. Come out. Here we go. Oh, comes with the instructions. That's good. So I got the Vibor wheel, but it's just random. There's so many different ones. I ordered it from AliExpress. Amazon also have it, but they don't have the head size that I want. I want the tiniest one. So I ordered this one. It comes with some tools and giant tools. I don't think this is useful for this, but I can use it on my bigger one. And what's in there? There is something here. Oh, it's the electricity cord. And then I hear noises. Oh, yeah. This is why I ordered this one, because this one has two heads. It has this bigger one and it has this tiny one. I don't know why I'm cooking too fast and I'm raising, but yeah, this is the tiny one. Let's try to connect it. This is the cutest thing I ever seen. It's so cute and tiny. Where I put the electricity? I have to dive under the table, so wait for me. I did not even try if this thing work or broken. Come on! It might be the wrong size. But this is how the European blocks look like. Oh my god! Oh! Finally, I'm thinking here, maybe? Yes. Here there is an on and off button. Let's look at the instruction. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow. I like this. It's like instruction for the bigger wheel. Totally the wrong size. So, use this. Now we have to turn it on. Are you on now? It's not doing anything. Yay! Oh, can't control the speed. That is cool. It's loud, but it's fine, right? Now the question is how I change the head, because I want to try the small head. I can't do anything. Like everything I touch is toucha. What's this? What I do with this? It's here. Maybe try to make home. I have to take the splash tray. It comes with a splash tray that we can try, see if it works. I'm just fighting with this wheel. The joy of having it is like going away slowly. I don't like to be tortured. I want things to be easy for once in my life. Where's the instruction? I don't know if there's any instruction how to change this head. I'm hoping there is. There is no mention even for this tool or how to change the head. I'm super unentertained. Okay, I finally figured it out. After you loosen it a little, you just like pop it out. And that's it. And now you take the new one and put it down. I also discovered why I'm trying to find out how to change the head, that if you put it up, the wheel spell right. So if you are right-handed, you can spin it up, and then if you turn it down, it spins the other direction. So that is cool. Everyone can have the direction they are comfortable with. I'm not sure about this, but I'm gonna try it. Time for clay. Maybe I have here left over. We have this piece of clay. I don't know what it is. It's just the end of the bag, so I'm gonna use this. Spray, spray, spray with water. It's too hard. Okay, we're not using this. I was kidding. I think this is the messiest video on the internet. This is me. This is the real me. So I have a lot of clay that is just scattered around and left to dry. This wheel came with those tools. I'm not sure what to use them for, but this feels like it can be useful to open it because my finger wouldn't fit. But let's see. This is so hard. Oh my god, I can't even make it. I can't make it stick. So, first challenge, make it stick. Okay, if you put like pressure on it, it's finito. Maybe should go faster. This is really cute, and it's working. It's so annoying because it's so tiny. It's a bit hard. It is crooked. Ooh, it's very satisfying in a weird way. Putting my finger in the inside is not a good idea. I'm just saying. This is harder than throwing something big. Much harder. Oops. First try is a fail. Let's try again. I don't want to give up. Okay, I'm not gonna give up from the first 5 seconds. It's very hard that it's not a foot pedal. I'm used to control the machine with my foot, so it's make it like a bit harder. I honestly don't know what I'm trying to do. Okay, I think I would be happy with the cylinder. No? Da-da! I have a tiny cylinder! I'm so happy with it. It's so tiny, I don't know how to remove it. Okay. It's like moving and walking around. But yeah, here I have something. I don't know what it is. I think I should bring you closer and we try to make something else. Hands so steady, spin the clay. Little wheel takes me away. Tiny parts in a big old world. Dreams unfold as shapes unfurl. Round and round the rhythm flows. Miniature art where the magic grows. Feel the spin beneath my skin. Every twist is Now let's make our last piece and try to make something nice.
Tiny pottery spinning free, little hands shaping destiny. On this wheel I make my mark in a world small. My soul's a spark.
Oh my god, this is too much fun. This is so much fun. I love this. I think I will attach handles to those ones. This was less messy than I thought it will be. I thought this would be like messier than this. Making tiny stuff makes me happy. You know what I think? I think this will be very good for my cookie because she like making pottery and she have tiny fingers. She would love this one, and especially that she have like small hands and it's hard for her to use the big wheel. So I think this will be like really good thing to use. Using this wheel is not similar to using a big one at all, at least for me. And it need a learning curve, I think. I'm so happy with those. Here is all the tiny pots I made. I love them. I really love this machine. If I didn't mention it before, I bought this with my own money. This video is not sponsored. I don't think they know even I do exist. But I really love this machine. I think I will be using it tons because I love the results. Especially the last two I made. They were so good, in my opinion. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick video as much as I enjoyed making those pots and using this machine. If you would like to see more videos like this, tell me in the comment section. And if you want to see me raku those pots using a microwave kiln, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you soon. Bye!